Hey guys, welcome to Speak Up. Today we're going to learn 5 sentences with correct pronunciation. So let's get started. Alright, hi Ira, how are you today?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. And you?
I'm fine and dandy.
Alright, today we're going to learn 5 sentences. So check it out. Number 1. Alright, you can try.
Thank you.
You can try. Number 1, you can read out and I'll tell the word. Okay?
Okay.
So go on.
This is my favorite restaurant.
Did you hear that? Again.
This is my favorite restaurant.
Yes, we are talking about favorite and restaurant. So, this is my favorite restaurant, not favorite and not restaurant. Favorite restaurant. Okay? This is my favorite restaurant. That's beautiful. Thank you. And you can try number 2. Okay?
He is very different from his brother.
That's beautiful. Check it out. Different. We are talking about different. Different, not different. Different. He is different. Different from his brother. Okay. Different. Again. Different. Different. Not different. Thank you. And you can try next one.
Okay. I'll do it again.
That's beautiful. That is my favorite line actually. So, I'll do it again, not again. 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 I'll do it again. Try it me. Again. Again. Not again. I'll do it again. Again. Okay, number 4, you can try.
I need a pen and a pencil.
That's beautiful. I love that. I need a pen and pencil, not pencil. Is it pencil?
No.
That's correct. It's pencil. Right. Pencil, not pencil. I need a pen and a pencil. Pencil. P. Pencil. Pen and pencil. They are so good. Okay, number 5. Go on.
Tom and Jerry is my favorite cartoon.
Very good. Very smart. Very good. Check it out. There is one word. Favorite again. Favorite curtain. Right. Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. Right. Tom and Jerry is my favorite curtain. Right. Favorite. Okay. Favorite. We're talking these words again. Favorite. Restaurant. Different. Again. Pen and pencil. These all words you have to learn. Okay? These are very, very common words. Every time you can get in your conversation. So be careful about that. So favorite, restaurant, different, again, pencil, favorite. Try with me. Favorite,
Favorite.
restaurant.
Restaurant.
Try with me.
Restaurant.
Favorite,
Favorite.
restaurant,
Restaurant.
different,
Different.
again,
Again.
pencil.
Pencil.
Alright, no more today. See you in the next class with new words. Thank you. Bye-bye.